Hospitality, aviation, real estate, and automobile are few of these sectors among the many which are currently badly affected because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. For them, the biggest question is till how long will they survive? And frankly, no one knows the answer to this. As sales leaders, how do you think your customers would like to engage with you going forward? Will you continue to sell the way you have been doing it till date? Or do you need to change? I think so, you need to change. My name is Rakesh Shetty. I am a B2B sales expert, consultant and trainer. I have helped enterprise solve their most critical sales challenge by helping them hire, retain and develop sales talents. I engage with sales leaders to improve their sales results. Your customer challenges, problems have completely changed after this crisis. Till yesterday, their business challenges were with regards to business growth, continuous innovation, going green, improving bottom lines, year-on-year growth, quarter-on-quarter growth. While these challenges continue to exist and will always be important for your customers to solve, but today these challenges have taken a backseat. They are more urgent and pressing issues that needs to be solved. These issues are with regards to employee safety, how to enable work from home more effectively, efficiently, collaboration for workforces, social distancing needs for employees in office, special kind of packaging for your finished goods, transportation needs. The list of new challenges goes on. As sales leaders, you need to coach your sellers to engage with your customers first by identifying their new set of challenges. Every customer is unique and so is his or her challenge. And the only way to find out your customer's challenge is by asking questions to find out those. Sir, what are your current challenges, issues that you are facing? How are you managing it currently? If you don't solve the challenge, the problem, will you able to live with it? Are you okay with it? How are they personally affecting you? How are the challenges affecting you officially? Are you ready to invest to solve this challenge? Are you ready to make a purchase to solve this challenge? From where will you manage budgets if you don't have? In current times, every business would ensure that they invest money wisely. They will only invest when it is absolutely necessary. As sales leaders, it is also very important for your sellers to find out the urgency, importance and budget for the opportunity they are engaged very early on in their sales engagement. You as a sales leader need to tell them those techniques of identifying it. As sellers, if they know these three domains, which is urgency, importance and budgets, early on in the sales, they will know where to put their effort. If they know the budgets would not be coming, if they know it is not important, they will not put the effort in those opportunities. So it is very important for sellers to identify these three domains right in the beginning. Well, the story doesn't end there. As you continue engaging with your customers, you need to find out all these three domains again and again on regular intervals, because what is urgent and important today can change tomorrow. We have seen that happen. So sales leaders, you need to educate your sellers to ask the right questions, to identify those challenges and to identify the importance, urgency and budgets behind every sales opportunity. Thank you.